What is up, guys? BVF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping. We got ourselves two amazing packages, two amazing t-shirts from 2017 in these packages right here. Very cool packaging. They are from the same person, but they got some cool packaging, I will say. I'm gonna go with the less of the cool packaging. I really like this, pearlescent type vibe. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one up. It looks like it's already been opened, but that's just tape for you. So let's get into it. I don't know which one's which, but hopefully this is a black t-shirt. We got ourselves a white Bart and an OG 2017 Mugshot tee. Red tag too. My first red tag. Okay, come on. Really sticky. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, we're almost in. It has been unwrapped. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Now, for the moment of truth, what color is it? It is white. We got ourselves the Bart first, ladies and gentlemen. The Bart. Okay. It is more of the yellow Bart. I can see it's yellow. Like a lot of yellowing, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, very nice. It's pretty white still. Just up at the neck, it's like yellowing. Wow, okay. Very impressed. Very impressed. Let's go ahead and check out that tag. We got ourselves a purple large tag. Very clean. Very nice. Yeah, you guys could see that in the video for sure. The neck is yellow. But yeah, this tag is awesome. The purple is going very weird in this lighting. Interesting. Well, we got that. Let's check out the pits. Pits look clean though. That's what I'm hyped about. Just the neck color. But now to check out the damage on the kill hand, guys. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh. This thing is beat. Missing puff beat. Holy crap. Like from afar, not too shabby, but jeez, it is missing puff like crazy. Did not expect that. I'll be honest. Did not expect it to be missing this much puff. Wow. But overall, surprised no stains. Yeah, no stains, nothing. Well, as in like, big stains and big holes. None of that. But very cool. Can't complain. Can't complain. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's go ahead and set that off to the side. And then we'll get into the next one. Set that off to the side right there. All right. To the Mugshot tee, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into it. You know what? We're going to do it. Put you guys down on the bad. We are unsealing the tape. It is very sticky still. Very sticky. We're almost through. We have opened it. It has been opened. Wait, not completely. Now it has. Okay, it has been opened. Now, the reveal. Fold it up for sure to have the Mugshot as clean as possible. Much appreciated on that. Check if there's anything else. Nothing else in there. Here's the Mugshot on the front. Ooh, the feeling of it. Very nice. Pretty damaged. Look at that red tag though. Get ourselves a red tag. And now to unfold it for the last time. The kill hand. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen. We got some cracking going on over there. But like overall, pretty dang clean, guys. Pretty happy with it. We got ourselves some, some white stuff over there under the pit. Looks like some white stuff over on that pit too, but that kill hand. Very nice, very crispy. Pretty flat. We'll say pretty flat. Can't really tell, but very flat. But not cracked galore. Very nice, very nice. Let's check out that mug again. So we got these two pieces today. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I do know that these red tag mugs had the worst fronts. Like, these would get damaged very easily. So, pretty happy with the condition it's in. It is missing right there. But overall, feels good. Feels good to have it. Appreciate the freaking seller for this. Very nice. 2 large, awesome, amazing OG tags. Couldn't ask for more. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, as per usual. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.